In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy images from Google to Canva. This is a simple and efficient process that can help you enhance your designs by incorporating the rich variety of images available online. Let's dive into the steps on how to seamlessly transfer an image from Google to Canva. First things first, open up your browser and type the name of the image you want into the Google search bar. Now, this could be absolutely any type of image you have in mind. Whether it's something specific or perhaps just a general concept that you're searching to get inspiration from, Google Images can be a fantastic source. For this demonstration, let's say I'm searching for a simple Google image. Once you press Enter, you'll find yourself on the general search results page. But what we're interested in are the images. So, just beneath the search bar, you'll spot the Images tab. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've landed on the Google Images page, you'll be faced with a diverse array of visuals that your search query has pulled up. Feel free to take your time here. You want to find an image that truly fits the narrative or the theme of your project. When you come across one that feels just right, don't forget to click on it. This action will provide you with a full preview, allowing you to see the image in larger scale, giving you a better sense of its detail and quality. With the larger version of the image now in front of you, it's time to copy it. Simply right-click on the image and a context menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll want to choose Copy Image. This selection is the key to capturing your chosen image temporarily onto your computer's clipboard, ready for use in the next step. Now that we have the image copied, let's switch gears over to Canva, where we'll actually insert it. Open Canva in a new tab or window and navigate to the specific design where you'd like to include the image. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry. Just create a new design and select a template that complements your project's vision. Once your design page is open, right-click on a blank spot within the design workspace. A context menu similar to the one from Google Images will come up. Now, here's the final move. Choose Paste from this menu. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted your image into your Canva project. Now you can have some fun with it. Reposition it, resize it, or make any tweaks you see fit to have it align perfectly with your design composition. By following these straightforward steps, you've now unlocked a seamless way to incorporate images from Google into your Canva projects. This method is perfect for streamlining your design workflow since you avoid having to manually download images onto your computer. Keep practicing, and soon enough, this process will become second nature, enhancing both the quality and versatility of your design work in Canva.